guys, it is Nicole with Doctors for Accidents. Welcome to the Personal Injury Show. I am here with one of our guest speakers today. This is David Musigi with Forward Funding. Tell me about Forward Funding. How long has it been around for?
So Forward Legal Funding has been around for just over a year. We help people who are involved in a personal injury lawsuit obtain an advance on their settlement before the case actually settles.
Oh my God, you hear that, guys? If something happens to you, which I hope nothing does, do not rack up your credit cards, because that's something I would probably do, because I have to pay for the nanny, pay for rent, so don't do that.
Within a few hours, get your cash in as little as 24 hours.
Oh, wow.
It's a very quick, easy process.
Super fast. So if there's an emergency and you're definitely strapped for cash, you can get it like
quickly.
So David, one of my questions is, what is the difference between pre-settlement and a general loan?
So the difference between pre-settlement legal funding and a general loan, with a general loan, you have to go through an underwriting process, you have to submit financial documents, you look at your credit, which we touched on earlier. Yeah. With the pre-settlement legal funding, also with the loan, it's the terms of repayment are like set in stone. So like maybe you have to pay every month, you're going to have it for X amount of years, and you got to repay it. With the legal funding, you only repay those funds once your case is settled from the proceeds of the settlement. So if for some reason the case doesn't settle, you may ask, what's going to happen?
That was actually going to be my next question. Like, what happens if my case doesn't settle?
If the case doesn't settle for any reason, the plaintiff, the person involved in the personal injury lawsuit, is not required to pay the funds back. So it's a non-recourse advance, meaning they don't have to pay the money back if the case doesn't settle for any reason. So
you are taking this huge risk for general public.
Yes.
So
we're here to help. This helps the case move forward too. And when someone has that advance in their hands and they can use it for their everyday expenses, it allows their attorneys to move on with their case and fight for their clients to get them a better settlement offer. And a lot of times, all these insurance companies have very deep pockets.
Yes.
So that gives them an advantage. They will drag on the case. They're going to make sure that they wear you out to the very bottom to make you accept that low offer. But with the legal funding, we can help them get them the funds they need now while their attorney does fight for them and get them the higher settlement, ultimately getting them more money in their pockets.
That is amazing to know. You hear this, guys? So please, if something happens, make sure not to rack up your credit cards. Call David. Let your attorney know, or attorneys can reach out to you. Can attorneys reach out to you too? Yeah,
definitely. Attorneys can reach out to us, and people can reach out to us directly, the normal public. So we're here to help any way we can.
Awesome. Again, this is David from Forward Legal Funding. Thank you so much for taking the time and explaining to everyone on how it is so much smarter to go with a funding company than it is to just racking up your credit cards. If you have issues paying anything, please reach out to him. Do you have a direct number they can call you on?
Yeah, it's 310-933-5226. That's our office number. We can also visit our website, www.forwardlegalfunding.com. We're here to help, and thank you, Nicole, for your time here today, and I'm very happy to be part of this. And
awesome.